In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 YouTube niches that pay the most to creators. I'm talking about niches that pay as high as $80 to $100 RPM. Let me show you something most people don't realize. You can take 2 faceless YouTube channels, have them upload the exact same number of videos, pull in the same amount of views, and even use the same AI tools, and yet one of them will end up making 10 times more money than the other. And no, it's not just luck. It really comes down to one thing that most creators completely ignore: the niche they're actually choosing. See, while everyone else is just chasing views, there's this small group of creators who are quietly building channels that attract the highest paying advertisers on the entire platform. The kind that pay $40, $80, or sometimes even $100 for every 1,000 views. In a minute, I'm going to break down the 5 faceless niches that consistently attract those big ticket advertisers. More importantly, I'll show you how to build them in a way that keeps your channel safe, monetized, and actually scalable. But first, we need to address the elephant in the room that's quietly killing most faceless channels right now. YouTube just isn't rewarding easy content anymore. If your channel relies on reused clips, generic, low-effort AI scripts, and mass-produced videos, you're either going to see your reach tank or end up getting demonetized. It's not that AI is bad, but it's because there's no transformation happening. And that is the secret word: transformation. The simple rule that separates the low-paying channels from the high earners is this: don't just upload information, transform it. AI is a great assistant, but you need to be the director. You need to be the one injecting structure, emotion, real-world examples, your own opinion, and actual storytelling. The channels that get that are the ones quietly printing money while everyone else is left scratching their heads, wondering why their RPM is in the gutter. Let's get into these niches. Pay close attention, because picking the wrong one is the #1 reason most faceless channels never scale past a few $100. First up, there's a niche almost nobody talks about, but it consistently pulls in high-paying viewers: estate planning and wealth management. I know, it sounds boring, but boring is exactly why it pays so well. This is a niche where people aren't just watching for entertainment, they're trying to protect their money, grow it, or make sure they don't lose it. Advertisers love that, so they pay for it. We're talking about trusts, retirement planning, tax strategies, and how to preserve wealth. The best part? You don't need to be a lawyer. Your job is to simplify it. Turn those complex financial ideas into clean visuals, animations, or even whiteboard-style stories. Instead of a dry video on estate tax laws, break it down into a story about what happens to someone's money when they're gone, and how the wealthy make sure nothing gets lost. That's how you turn average content into high-value content. And here is a quick retention tip. Don't teach generally. Teach through scenarios, like what would happen if a millionaire died without a will. That one shift keeps people hooked much longer. This niche pays as high as 40 to 70 RPM. Next, a niche that sits right at the intersection of science and obsession: health and longevity. Everyone wants to know how to live longer, feel better, and optimize their body, which means advertisers in the health and wellness space are fighting over this audience. The mistake most creators make here is just spitting out random health tips. That doesn't work. What does work is structured curiosity. Use titles like "What Science Says About Aging Faster Than Normal," or "Why Some People Stay Biologically Younger Than Their Age." To stay safe and monetized, don't make medical claims, just report the findings. Cite studies on the screen and use phrases like "research suggests" instead of saying "this will cure you." That keeps your channel clean. This niche pays as high as $25 to $50 RPM. Now listen up, because this next one is where a lot of beginners start making real, serious money: high-ticket affiliate reviews. This covers things like luxury travel, premium credit cards, and expensive software tools. The reason this pays so well is because you're not selling a cheap $20 product, you're influencing a major, expensive decision. One conversion can be worth hundreds, sometimes thousands. The mistake people make is reviewing things without showing proof. Don't just talk, show. Use screen recordings, real walkthroughs, and step-by-step usage. Even if it's just software, make it feel like you've actually used it. Trust is the currency here, and the more trust you build, the higher your RPM climbs. This niche pays as high as $30 to $60 RPM. Moving on to a niche that has exploded lately and is only going to get bigger: digital finance and crypto security. And I don't mean the hype-driven side of it, I mean the practical stuff: how to secure your digital assets, how wallets actually work, and why security mistakes cost people everything. Fintech and crypto companies pay huge rates for this content because the stakes are high. Just remember, avoid giving actual investment advice. You're not telling people what to buy, you're teaching them how to be safe. That keeps you safe while keeping the profits high. This niche pays as high as $40 to $80 RPM. Finally, the highest paying faceless niche of them all, where the real money is being made under the radar: B2B software and AI implementation. Every single business out there is scrambling to figure out how to use AI to grow faster. So content that explains tools, workflows, comparisons, and business automation has insane advertiser demand. You don't need fancy production either. Screen recordings and simple problem-solving tutorials work wonders. Show things like how this AI tool replaces 3 employees, or best AI tools for cutting business costs. Be specific. Businesses don't care about the hype, they care about results. This niche pays as high as $50 to $100. If you've been paying attention, you'll notice that all these niches have one thing in common: they attract people who are either spending money, managing money, or trying to make money. That is the secret to high RPM. It's not about the view count, it's about the viewer's intent. And keep in mind, even if you pick the right niche, you can still miss the mark if you target the wrong audience. RPM is heavily influenced by geography, so you want to build content that naturally attracts people in high-value countries. You do that by solving problems that only that audience is searching for. If you do that, you don't need any hacks or tricks, you just need to be consistent. Here is what I want you to do next. Don't overthink it. Pick one niche from this list, not 2, not 3, just one, and commit to it for the next 30 days without switching. Most people don't fail because they had a bad idea. They fail because they never stay in one lane long enough to actually see the results.